So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to Epic Games Launcher, then you want to find Fortnite. You want to click on the three dots, and then click on Manage, and then click on Open Install Location. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Fortnite Game, Binaries, Win64, and then Easy Anti-Cheat. And then once you're on this, you're going to find Easy Anti-Cheat. You're going to right click on it, and then click on Show More Options, and then click on Create Shortcut. Now the shortcut should appear in the folder. If it appeared on your desktop though, you want to drag it into this folder. Now once we're here, you want to right click on the shortcut, and then click on Properties. Make sure you're on the Shortcut tab, and now next to Target, you want to go to the very end. Now once we're here at the very end, you want to put a space, then you want to type in Repair, and then you want to click on OK. Now you want to double click on the shortcut, and then click on Yes. This should now fix your problem. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to find Fortnite again, you want to click on the three dots, and then click on Manage. It should now be saying for you Verify. You want to click on Verify. It's going to verify your Fortnite game files. This should now be working for you. If that does not fix your problem, for the last method, you want to click on the three dots, click on the Uninstall, and then you want to uninstall Fortnite. Then you just want to reinstall it again.